Personal protective equipment. Gloves are hand coverings used for protection from rough, dirty, and sharp objects. Gloves. Safety goggles are tight-fitting eye protection that completely cover the eyes and provide protection from impact, dust, mists, and splashes. Safety goggles. Safety hat or helmet. Refers to a head cover for safety protection and is usually made of hard plastic. Safety hat or helmet. Safety shoes refer to feet protection used for personal safety, usually a type of shoe with steel toe. Safety shoes. Safety vest is an important piece of clothing for workers that keeps them safe on the job site by providing visibility and a level of protection from potential hazards. Safety vest. Safety belt refers to wide leather strap with hook used to protect an individual from an accidental fall. Safety belt. Overall clothes refer to cotton clothing worn during the actual work or in performing tasks. Overall clothes.